I can feel them staring. I hear the whispers. Sometimes I even think I hear the thoughts inside their minds. They see me, flaws magnified, considerably more deformed than the version they see. I yank myself in front of the mirror to scold the ugly, broken body that I see. When in reality, most people who look at me see a champion. They see a warrior pushing through the struggles that I can't hide. Some are even kind enough to come up, tell me how much I inspire them. It almost brings me to tears. For just a moment, it makes the disability worthwhile. The deformities, the ugliness, the pain, all of it becomes fuel when I know I help make someone else's day better. I inspire them to be stronger, to fight harder, to see their life wasn't as bad as they thought that morning. There aren't many gifts in this life better than the feeling you get when you find out you've made a positive impact on someone else's life. When they thank you, that show of gratitude is so beautiful, so powerful. Just as I do, but they see the warrior bigger, stronger, taller, more powerful than the broken man I constantly see. Sometimes, Lord, I ask, why me? Other times, I'm thankful that you allowed me to be part of something you were trying to do here on earth. Maybe that one person who came up to talk to me saw me fighting, and through me, they saw your power. And maybe, just maybe, that changed their life for the better. They see my broken body, just as I do. But they see the warrior. Lord, while I'm here, while I drag these chains, give me the strength to push forward. So there is good coming from my pain.